Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this is a tooth polisher, a 5-in-1 tooth polisher. It's going to be IPX6 waterproof. It's got 4 intensity modes, and a little LED auxiliary light as well. It'll be rechargeable with USB-C, and it does come with some desanitizing gel. So after polishing, if your teeth are a little sensitive, you can go ahead and apply some of this gel. You do get the cable and a little wrench. I love how cute this is. Look at that little wrench, because you're going to be able to take off these heads, because they do give you multiple heads here for different polishing needs. So I'll have the flat one here, what we're kind of used to going to the dentist, but then they do have some like triangle pointy ones to get in between teeth. And so you'll need that little wrench to switch it out. Unit itself is fairly simple. So you're just going to hold down on this button to turn it on. There you have it. You have the little light, which is nice. It's spinning. You have a little battery indicator too as well. This is a gasket door down here where you can expose USB-C to recharge it. And again, you have different intensity levels: normal, middle, strong, and back to soft. So you can start with soft. I'll go ahead and show you here. I'm using it on my teeth, but you do also get 6 of the polishing gels here too as well. So we'll go with this one. It does say medium on there. We'll start here and turn it off. You just hold that button and it turns off. So let's go ahead and give it a try. All right, you got the gel.
It feels great. It feels like you're at the dentist and your teeth polished. It's that same texture. You don't need to turn it off.
There you have it. Super easy to use. That was on low. You can work your way up to the higher end intensities if you need to. Overall, I like this. This is from Tooth Show. And again, a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I can do a review. If you're looking for a tooth polisher, check it out.